Hey guys, so this really cool brand reached out to me because they wanted to show me some of their products. This is how it's wrapped. Can you guess what I'm about to show you guys? So basically, this is used for bar conditioner or bar shampoo. They sent me a conditioner bar in the scent vanilla coconut. They're vegan, cruelty-free, and they're made for all hair types. And they also sent me their shampoo bar in vanilla coconut also. I'm gonna smell them because I have not smelled them yet. Open the box. When I tell you, you can smell the coconut right away. Right away. It smells so good, you guys. I've never tried a shampoo bar or conditioner bar like ever, so this is what it looks like open. How cute is their packaging? It says, intentional by nature. This is the shampoo bar. How pretty. They're free from artificial fragrances and dyes. They're free of sulfate, silicones, parabens, and phthalates? I can't read that. Plastic-free shampoo bar designed to gently cleanse and remove buildup without any harsh ingredients. So how cool. This is the conditioner bar. It has like an oily consistency, like it starts melting right away. You can tell that my hands are like shiny. I'm pretty sure that's a good thing because it feels like super moisturizing. I'll leave their info in the comments or in the description, but so basically when you're done shampooing your hair or conditioning your hair, you put the bars, not the box, but the bars on top like this so they can dry out. Of course, not in the packaging, so they can dry out and not get gross. But I'm so happy they reached out to me again. They are the Earthling Co. Everything just feels so natural. I love that. If you're really about sustainability and using recycled packaging and just like stuff that's good for the earth, definitely go check out their company because it smells amazing. The quality feels amazing. And yeah, I love it. All right. Bye, guys.